Hello, so today we're going to talk about the anatomy and physiology of the different body systems. The circulatory system is a network that supplies with oxygen and other nutrients the different tissues of the body. It also helps to transport things such as hormones and to remove wastes out of cells and deliver them to different parts of the body, such as the liver and the kidneys. And the organs include the heart, which its function is to pump the blood through the whole body. The blood vessels, which include the arteries, veins, and capillaries. And lastly, the blood, which is where all these nutrients and wastes are transported.
The digestive system is the system in the body that is in charge of breaking down food into smaller components so it can be adapted and absorbed to the body. The organs in the digestive system include the mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder.
The endocrine system is the system in our body in charge of chemical messages, which consist of feedback loops made of hormones that are secreted by different glands of the body, which are secreted to the bloodstream and are transported into their target organs. So the organs which the endocrine system is consisted of include the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, the thyroid gland, the adrenal gland, the testes, the pancreas, the ovaries, the pineal gland, and that's it.
The integumentary system is our skin. It is made up of two layers. The outer layer is called the epidermis, and the one below it is called the dermis. It has things like, for example, hair, which are dead cells that go out to the skin, and the skin's objective is for protection of our organs and everything else.
The role of the immune system is a collection of structures and processes within the body. It is to protect against diseases or other potentially damaging foreign bodies. The lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. The primary function of the lymphatic system is to transport lymph, a fluid containing infection-fighting white blood cells through the body.
The muscular system is in charge of movement of the body, maintaining posture and circulate blood throughout the body. The muscular system is an organ system that consists of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles.
The nervous system is a complex collection of the body's neurons and nerves which transmit signals across different parts of the body. It consists of two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system, also known as the PNS, consists of the nerves and the ganglia outside of the brain and spinal cord, and it is in charge of sending the information received to the brain and to the central nervous system. The central nervous system, also known as the CNS, is in charge of gathering this information, assessing, and then sending a response in order to react either as a voluntary or involuntary action, and it is composed of the brain and the spinal cord.
The urinary system has as purpose to eliminate waste from the body, regulate blood volume and blood pressure, control levels of electrolytes and metabolites, and regulate blood pH. The urinary system consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra.
The reproductive system is a system of sex organs within an organism which work together for the purpose of sexual reproduction. Many non-living substances such as fluids, hormones, and pheromones are also important accessories to the reproductive system. An example of a sex organ within the male reproductive system are the prostate glands and the testicles. And an example for the female reproductive system are the eggs, the ovaries, and the cervix. Thank you.
The respiratory system's main function is to bring in oxygen and take out carbon dioxide from your body throughout respiration. It is a system which includes a process that starts through your nose, coming down through your pharynx, all the way to your lungs, and to your bronchi and alveoli. These are the parts that make up the respiratory system. Thank you.
I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the skeletal system. Fun fact, we have a total of 206 bones in our body. He doesn't, we have. Well, the main function of bones is to protect our organs and give structure to our body. They are filled with a thing called yellow bone marrow, and yeah, this is basically it. Besides giving structure to our body, it also helps us move and protect our organs.